The Solutions Rat and Mouse Bait Station is used to hold rodenticide baits or snap traps in a place that's attractive to rodents while inaccessible to children or pets. These bait stations feature a tamper-proof design, are made with a durable plastic material, and each comes with a key that's needed to open the station, ensuring the safety of those around. Each rat and mouse bait station comes with 3 short rods for vertical bait placement and 1 key that's required to open the station. 2 longer rods for horizontal bait placement are also available. Keep in mind, if the key is lost, you will need to get a replacement. You'll also need gloves to help keep human scent off the station. Additionally, you'll need to load the station with either rodenticide bait blocks or an easy set rat trap. For the best bait, we recommend you use Eradication rodent bait. Eradication comes in the form of bait blocks with pre-drilled holes and is made with real peanut butter and other rodent attractants. The pre-drilled holes make each block easy to set on the station's included rods. Using the rat and mouse bait station is easy and requires only a few steps. Unlock the bait station using the supplied key. 1/4 turn and both keyholes will open the station. Place up to 6 bait blocks in each station. With most applications, you can set the blocks vertically. However, you can also set your bait blocks horizontally with the longer rods. This configuration allows you to safely set bait outdoors in case rainwater enters the station, as the blocks won't be resting on the bottom of the station. You can also load an easy set rat trap for quick elimination of single rats or mice. With the vertical rods already installed, remove the center rod so that only the 2 side rods remain. Line up the holes on the easy set rat trap with the 2 remaining rods and push it into the chamber. Bait and arm the trap and your bait station is ready to be placed. Shut the station's lid, making sure that it snaps into place. Once snapped shut, the station cannot be opened without the key. Place stations along walls and linear structures with the entrance holes against the structure. The best locations to place your stations will be where you've seen rodent activity or close to entry points along your structure. Rats will never go more than 20 feet from their burrow, so place stations no more than 40 feet apart. For a house with a square footage of less than 2,000 square feet, you'll need 6 stations to cover the perimeter of your home. The rat and mouse bait station is ideal for those who need to control a rodent infestation, but they also have children, pets, or livestock on their property. The bait stations prevent anyone other than rats or mice from accessing the rodent bait blocks or snap traps. Bait stations are great to use when weather conditions can ruin bait, making rodent control less effective. Solutions rodent bait stations are safe to use around pets and children when used according to the instructions. Always wear your proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling bait or bait stations. The bait station is 13 inches long, 8 inches wide including the hinge, and 4 inches tall with the lid closed. You can set the station underneath shrubbery for discreet placement, or you can set the station vertically to fit in tighter spaces where rodents may be more likely to travel through. Once your active infestation has been taken care of, the rat and mouse bait station can be easily cleaned and stored for future use. Do not clean the station while you are actively dealing with rodents, as the rodents themselves will leave their own scents on the station, signaling to others that it's safe. The Solutions Rat and Mouse Bait Station makes any rodent control plan safe around children and pets with its tamper-proof design and tough, durable plastic material. Shop for the Solutions Rat and Mouse Bait Station on our website or stop by one of our store locations. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.